Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy USDT on Binance with your Revolut card. So to do this, you want to go ahead, click on buy crypto once you have logged into your Binance account. From here, you want to go ahead and select buy. So maybe you are in European Union, you want to choose euros. If you are not, choose, for example, USD. Then you want to go ahead and receive USDT. This is Tether. And you want to go ahead and enter the amount which you want to go ahead and spend. Now, as you can see, you need to go ahead and deposit euros here to Binance. So click deposit. After that, basically select your currency, choose a SEPA bank transfer instant, €1 fee. This is 30 cents, and this is a card or Visa MasterCard for 2% fee. So you just basically choose this one, click continue. After you've done that, you enter the amount and you go ahead and add card number. Click add new card. And right there, you want to go ahead and add your credit card number. So Revolut card number, expiry date, and CVC. After that, just click confirm. And then you will be able to choose it here, enter the amount, and just click continue. After you have deposited some fiat, then you want to go ahead and enter the spend amount that you want to receive USDT. Choose your card Revolut and buy USDT. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.